Today we're going to check how we can create or mint a token on DX Mint and how quickly we can do that. So first of all, obviously you need to go to dx.app. Now let me just disconnect this so I can show you how to connect it. Come here to the top right, you can see Connect Wallet. So you want to connect, to click on Connect Wallet, and then you have to choose which wallet you have and you want to connect to dx.app. I've got MetaMask, so I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, mine has already connected simply because I was connected before. If this is your first time, the wallet will ask a confirmation. Hey, do you actually want to connect to dx.app? You have to say yes, and then you will connect. Depending on which blockchain you are on in your wallet, automatically that blockchain will be connected on dx.app. We support more than 20 blockchains, so you have a choice there. But anyway, we are connected now. We want to mint a token, so come up here on this top left hand side, go on create and then DX Mint, click on that. And now here you have a choice obviously of which network to mint a token on. In this case I'm on the testnet for Ethereum Sepolia, but you can change network. As I mentioned, we have more than 20 supported networks. So whatever network you want to create your token, and then choose a token type. So on a DX Mint we have 4 different types of contracts: standard, burn token, fee token, and dividend token. I'm not going to explain the difference between these contracts, these tokens right now. We're going to have a separate video for that. So today we're just going to mint a standard token. It's basically a basic token with all the standard features. It's perfect for utility-based projects such as DeFi apps. And when you mint it, you will receive a DxSale audit certificate, because all our contracts have been audited and safe. In terms of fees, you can see here, we don't ask for upfront payments in USD or Ethereum or BNB, any other native coins. We simply charge 1% of the tokens that you mint. Now let's go here, enter the token information. So what token name do you want to give the token? So let me just do a new one here. So test pip token. And this really can be anything as long as it's no more than 20 characters. The symbol or ticker. So we can just do the initials, TPT, but again, this could be anything. It could be Apple if you wanted to. Just be careful of copyright, of course. TPT. How many decimals? So Bitcoin, for example, has 18 decimals. We don't need as many, at least not in my case. Let me go with 9. And then how much is the total supply? Is it 1,000 tokens? Is it 1 million? 1 quadrillion? What is it? Well, you obviously need to think about that. I'm going to do 1 million. So 123, 123. This is where you put a referral code if you have one. And then once everything is okay, you just click on Mint Standard Token. And now MetaMask will ask me to confirm the transaction, as you can see. So I'm going to click on Confirm. And just enough time for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain, and then my token will be available, will have been minted. And it should be anytime now. In fact, here it is. So there you go. The test pip token with token symbol TPT and total supply of 1 million has been minted, and it's now live on the blockchain. To confirm that, this is the token address. You can even look it up yourself. You can click here and you can see the address being deployed on the Ethereum blockchain. So let me go back to dx.app. Now here we can also do something. This is our manage our token dashboard. We can change the ownership to another wallet address. So here you would put the new address and then click on change, or we can renounce ownership. Now this is something that a lot of people used to do, especially in the past, because they felt that the community had more trust. Just be very careful when you do this, if you want to do it, because once you renounce ownership, as our info says here, you cannot change anything on the contract. So please, if this is the case, if that's what you want to do, make sure that you have already finished doing the pre-sale, you have launched on a DEX of your choice, and then at that point, if that's something you want to do, renounce the ownership. Don't do it before, otherwise you might run into issues because you can't change anything. At this point, we might also choose to create a pre-sale, and that's what we go for that. But that will be in another video. Let's say that you close this page and you can't find it where it is. So just go back up here, look up this men's icon, and then click on my dashboard. And this is where you can see all your tokens, locks, and sales. As you can see, this is the token I've just minted. So go here on the right, click on manage, and you get to that page again. So that's how easy and how simple it is to mint a token on DxSale. And if you want to see the certificate of minting, you just come here again and you click on open certificate, and it will upload in a second. And as you can see, this is my certificate of minting. And if you send this to anyone, if you can just share this certificate, people will know that it comes from DxApp or DxMint in this case, and it's already been audited and it is safe.